Greetings to everyone. Today our topic is subtraction with r minus 1's complement. As we know that the use of subtraction with complements is, though actually we need to perform subtraction, but using complements we have to do the addition and perform the subtraction. In previous classes we have seen subtraction with r's complement, and now today our topic is subtraction with r minus 1's complement. We can take two things here. One is for decimal number system, other is for binary number system. As r minus 1 is nothing but if you go for decimal number system, your base is 10 and 10 minus 1, we have to study 9's complement. And the same way for binary, as it is 2's complement, as we want r minus 1, we will get 1's complement. Now there are few steps we need to follow to perform the subtraction using r minus 1 complement. First, make equal number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. Try to have equal number of digits. Then take the r minus 1's complement of the subtrahend, add it to the minuend. Third, if minuend is greater than or equal to subtrahend, there is a carry appears, we need to add it to the LSB. If it is not so, that means n is greater than m, then no carry will be generating, and what is the sum we will get, we have to perform the r minus 1's complement of the answer and put a negative sign in front. So now let us take one example of this. Here we need to subtract 3250 from 72532. So as according to our first step, we should have equal number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. We can see there are 5 digits and here only 4 digits. So how we'll make equal number of digits? By appending 0 to it. So appending 0, I got equal number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. So before performing subtraction of this, we need to take the r minus 1's complement of a subtrahend. That means the 9's complement of n is, the way how we'll calculate the 9's complement is this. So if you subtract this, your answer will be, this is 9's complement of n. Now we need to add this r minus 1's complement, nothing but 9's complement of a subtrahend, to the actual number given. And the number is given as 72532, and the 9's complement over here I can write as 96749. We need to add these two. Now here you can see 9 plus 7, 16 and carry 1. There is a carry generated. Carry got generated. From this step you can see if m is greater than equals to n, your end carry will appear and we need to add it to the LSB. So this carry will be adding to the LSB and your answer will be, that is 69282. Let us verify when you subtract these two numbers, actually will you get the same? The answer obtained is this. I'm just verifying what number I have is 72532 minus 3250. If you subtract this, what is the answer we get? Right, I mean this answer and this answer both are same. That means whatever the r minus 1 complement, 9's complement we have performed and done the addition and we got the answer same. That means for both the things the logic remains same, the answer remains same, and this is what the method is. What the method is, we should have try to have equal number of bits in subtrahend and minuend. Second step, take the r minus 1's complement of the subtrahend and add it to the minuend. If m is greater than, minuend is greater than subtrahend, your carry will generated. That carry we need to discard and add it to the LSB. Remaining answer will be your actual sum, actual answer of the given two numbers. Now let us do the same thing for binary number system. For binary number system, I can take example like, let us say my x is 1010100 and your y is 04100. Now I have to perform x minus y. That means this is my minuend and this is my subtrahend. So what is our step says? They should have equal number of bits. Let us check 3367. 3367, they are equal, no need to append any zeros into it. So next step is we have to take the r minus 1's complement of subtrahend. My subtrahend is y here. That means I should take 1's complement of my y. What will be the 1's complement of the y is 1 triple four zeros double one, right? Because we know that your actual y was 04100. Taking one's complement, nothing but replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. That's how you will get your one's complement. Now you need to add this to your x. So what was your x is 1010100, and the one's complement of y is 1 4 zeros double one. We need to add this 011 011 101 000 101 000 110 carry 1. You can see that again there is a carry generated. And what our procedure says, when you will get carry when your minuend is greater than your subtrahend. So therefore it says that your x is greater than y, therefore carry got generated. We need to discard it. Not only discarding, add this to the LSB bit and then perform the addition. 110 carry 1 110 carry 1 110 carry 1 011 100. This is what your final answer is, right? So this is how we perform the subtraction using addition with the help of complement. And which complement? They are diminished radix complement, that is r minus 1's complement. You can do the reverse, like you can do y minus x and n minus m as a practice. Hope you understand. In the next class we will see the topic called binary codes. Till then, thank you very much.